Hi there, students. To pop off. Okay, pop is always a difficult word. Let's see, to pop off, to leave. I'm just popping off now. I'll be back in a couple of hours. Yeah? So you leave and go somewhere else, and maybe you'll be back soon. Look, I'm going to make some lunch. You pop off and come back in about half an hour, and lunch will be ready. So to pop off, to go, to leave, off, leave. Somebody could pop off. They could die. Yeah, I guess that's a really big leave. So my grandfather popped off the other day, and it was a very sad thing. Okay, so to pop off, to die. Somebody pops off, they die. I think this is related to this idea of to pop your clogs, an idiom meaning to die as well. But okay, various people have popped off recently, have died. You could pop someone off. You could kill them. Yeah. So he tried to pop off the prime minister. Okay, to kill. Yeah. And then finally, to pop off, to be angry. I think particularly to pop off at somebody. When he's in a bad mood, he always pops off at me. This is to say something angrily in an emotional way. He's always popping off at me to my mum. He's always popping off at me to the press. Notice this use of pop off, I think, is probably a more American one. Yeah, to talk in a thoughtless, loud, angry way. But for me as a Brit, to pop off, to leave suddenly. Where's John gone? Did he pop off back home again? Yeah, did he leave and go home? I'm really sad to discover that the old man had popped off. Yeah, when my great aunt popped off and left me some money in her will. Yeah, to pop off at someone, to talk angrily, yeah, particularly at length. Yeah, I'm sorry for popping off at you yesterday. I was just in a bad mood. Okay, so pop off. You're just waiting for me to pop off so you can get your hands on all my cash. Yeah. So to pop someone off, to kill somebody. Yeah, so who did Lee Harvey Oswald pop off? It's pretty informal, but yes. To pop off at someone, to say something without thinking because you're angry. He popped off at his brother during an interview. Okay, so to pop off, to say something angry because you weren't really thinking about it. To pop off, to die. I believe he popped off in rather suspicious circumstances. It looked like somebody popped him off. And then to leave, to depart hurriedly, unexpectedly. So it's time for me to pop off. It's getting late. Yeah, it's time for me to pop off home because I've got to get up early tomorrow. Yeah. So bye-bye, I must pop off. I've got to pop off. I'm late. Yeah, I can't stay. Yeah, it's been lovely talking to you, but I've got to pop off now. Yeah, she popped off before I could get her phone number. Yeah, the video shows the criminal popping off the security guard. Yeah, why is he always popping off at everyone, making thoughtless, angry comments to people? Yeah, is he still alive? I thought he'd popped off by now. Wow, that's good. Yeah, and then to pop someone off, to kill. So, to leave, to pop off. Let's see, formality. All of these are informal. I think I'm going to give all of these a 3 informality. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation, but definitely not something written. And then, well, pop. It just means go. It's pop is like a joker. It's like a word you can use anywhere. Off, die, away, angry, different things. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To pop off.